Yeah, Normie's gonna get fat. Hey, Norm.
But he's not liking it.
No, just what I have to put up
Kate,
with.
Kate, Kate,
Oh my.
Kate.
She eating it?
That's not for you.
No. Come on, Kate. Let's go feed Normie.
It's wet.
Did you eat that? We don't eat cat food.
All right, last one for you.
Not in your mouth.
We don't eat that, right? Here, Squeaker.
No, not in your mouth. Mommy's not laughing. Mommy's not laughing. We gotta give this to Normie, Kate? Yeah, not in his eye. Good girl. We're all done. All done. All done.
Hey, Kate.